Hi there, welcome back to Fred Shaves. It's Wednesday and it's time for a shave. We are gonna shave with Elysian soap shop Atlantis, which is a really good aquatic citrusy scent. Really nice. I have done a review of this soap in the past. We're gonna do a little bit different today actually, because we are gonna check out if I can overhydrate Elysian lather. It's a soap that has really wide tolerance of water. I'm gonna really try to feed it and see if the lather breaks or if it just starts to rinse off and drip off my face. Razor will be my Mühle R89 with a third and final use feather blade. And brush is this Mühle 21mm silvertip badger with a rose gold handle. Really nice brush. So I'm gonna just get out some cold water here, and then we're gonna go straight to loading. So hope you all have been having a nice week so far. Mine has been really hectic, and it's gonna just continue to be hectic for the next days. That's just how it is. So it will be nice to relax with a hopefully pleasant shave. If I start to bleed here, it's not a cut. I did play with a little kitten earlier today and he scratched my cheek, so yeah, there you go. Do not anger up the kittens, they will punish you. Okay, that is more than plenty. Gonna add some cold water to the face. The weather has been terrible for the last days. Really bad winds. Really. We are talking 17 and 18 meters a second in the casts. Crazy. And it has rained and been sunny and rained again. Excuse me. Something did itch my nose there. Yeah, so it has been really unstable. And not very warm. We had around 70 yesterday Fahrenheit. But today we have only been in mid 60s actually. So fall is upon us, that's for sure. I will stop with the hydration when I feel the lather is starting to either run or break, because I will be able to do my shave. I need that shave. So another false sign is that everyone seems to be either sick or having a little flu or some kind of bugs over here. So the oldest one had to be picked up early today in the kindergarten by the wife because he had a fever. So that's no good. Hopefully he will be good to go soon enough. This is still very dry and matte. So we will feed more water. Even though I could shave with this. But the purpose of just this video is to really take this soap soap base to test, and this particular soap base is the one with beef tallow. Shannon has 2 soap bases as far as I know, one with and one without tallow. The lather is building really nicely. I am approaching that stage where I usually would shave, but we're not gonna stop there now. We are gonna continue our little test. And it's starting to get a really nice sheen to it. We're gonna add more water. This is unbelievable. I didn't know that brush for so long, and it just gobbles up the water. Not any issue at all. At this point, yeah, it's starting to get really heavy. And you could possibly see that blood bowl lather was kind of sliding down my chin. It's a lovely brush as well. More water. Oh, that was a huge dip. I should have a sprayer now, that will be much more consistent. As you can see, the lather is just taking it. Just swallows all the water. I have dipped extremely a lot of times now. Look at that brush. Yeah, that's quite ridiculous. Yeah, the lather is starting to fall off my face, and it's rinning and dripping off the brush. One more dip. But as you can see, it doesn't break. It's just extremely wet. One more dip. It's just starting to ring down all the way to my chest. Huh. Ooh. This is super wet. Okay. We will stop there before all the lather has just fallen off my face, as you can see. it's stable. Really, really cool. Okay. First pass with the third use feather in my Mühle R89. This is a really good soap base. Oops. Just look at that lather. It's really, really heavy. Really, really wet. It's running longer and longer towards my chest. Yeah, as always, 3 uses of a feather blade. That's maximum for me. It just kind of starts to tug on the third shave. Not as smooth and sharp anymore. That's the first pass done. Awesome residual slickness with Elysian soap base. The lather is almost run out of the brush and gathered on the handle and on the sink. Yeah, it's just dripping off the knot. It's so wet, it's a little bit hard to paint in on the face because I'm just dragging it off. That's more than enough for a second pass, at least. Okay. Really, really slick. Especially with all that water inside. Lovely scent as well. Need to rinse the razor more often than usual because the lather just won't hang on. This was a really nice 2-pass shave. Let's just have a quick feel. Oh yeah. That is good enough for now. We're gonna rinse off. Really nice face feel after using that soap. Every time. With the soaps from Shan over at Elysian, Pennsylvania. Okay. Matching goodies, which is alcohol and witch hazel based, and a lot of other really nice skin friendly ingredients. Very little burn. Really load the labels as well. Both the tubs, the bottles and the labels from Elysian are really top stuff. Let's see if there's any lather left over in this knot. Really wet lather. Just look at it, it falls over. Come on. Fall. Yeah, there you go. Rinsing of the brush down here. Excuse me. I have some rests, symptoms of that cold. Yeah, you can see that little bastard of a cat scratched me just there. Little bully, yes. Okay, we're gonna finish it all off with some Bloom Out face and eye cream from Grön Lycka over in Sweden, made by the good Karina Funkesson. Possibly my very favorite aftershave balm. Comes in this nice little potty. And I always forget how little you actually need. A little bit of this stuff goes a long way. And it really helps to clear up any irritation, redness from the shave in a really good way. There are some really good ingredients. It's only 30 milliliters of cream, but one jar will last you a long time. I think this is my third jar of this good stuff, and I'm using it a lot. Like so, just rinsing off my hands. And then we're up to do a quick recap on the shave, which was enjoyable. We took this soap base from Elysian to a test to see if we managed to break the lather. I stopped when it started to just fall off and rin down the face and brush, just to make the shave possible. Really great soap, as I have said 1,000 times. brush was my Mühle silvertip, the 21mm knot with a rose gold handle, really heavy handle, really cool traditional looking bencher brush. It's matching up quite good, same kind of ridges as in the handle on the Mühle R89 and the R41, which also has the same kind of knurling in the handle. I had a third use feather, which was the last one, and we finished it all off with a matching splash and the face cream from Grön Lycka. So that was all for now. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel, and until my next video, goodbye.